What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Humvee video. So in today's video we are actually going to be installing the seats. So the seats actually came in quick, right? They came in quick way faster than they told us it was supposed to come sometime next month, but it actually came in. I was surprised. So we're gonna start installing the seats, and obviously we're gonna have to make brackets to the seat. So we're actually gonna be welding for our first time. So we got our welder set up, we got our grinders, our cutter, our tubes. So we're gonna start messing around. We actually never welded. I personally never welded before. I don't know about you. I never seen you weld. So we've never welded before. So we're gonna have to start learning how to weld. So, but right now, let's just get into the seats. So first, I don't know what is this right here. Check this out. Oh. These boxes are so sketchy. Like, check this out. They're completely torn apart. I don't know. Man. And it's seats. So if it hits some kind of sharp edge, it could pop a hole through a leather or something. So let's just carefully with the blade open it. We don't want to damage the seats. If they're already damaged, I hope not, because I don't want to go through the whole process of shipping it back. So let's just open up the seats real quick and see if they are damaged. $450. All right, guys. So we open up the box. Looking good so far from the top.
From the bottom.
From the bottom. I guess it's the bottom. I don't know. Let's pull it out real quick. So that's kind of where the hole was. So let's see if the back part of that seat is good. It looks good. I mean, the back is not ripped. If the back is not ripped, then obviously we're good. Look at that. That looks really good. Look how this one. Good. Oh, ooh, check out that.
Let's leave that one in the box so it wouldn't get all dusty and stuff.
Yo, hold on. I really want to check out the front. Let's check out the front. Flip it around. Flip it around. How's it looking? Oh, I see it. Damn. Check that out. Even got those little for the seat belts, right? For the yeah. We're gonna make a race car out of the Humvee. No, I'm kidding.
Race Humvee.
But damn, check that out. How's the leather feel?
So this is kind of dented inside from the top portion of that seat.
Yeah. So I think just because it was impact, like it had a lot of impact inside the box.
Yeah, it should straighten out.
You see like little imperfections, but once you're gonna be in the car, you're gonna sit on it.
Once the sun hits it, heats up the leather's gonna settle in.
Yo, but that looks so good. The diamond stitching, I love that.
That is sick. Let's maybe, since we got the left side out, let's maybe leave this one inside here for now so it wouldn't get all dusty or damaged.
Yeah, so let's start working on the left side, and we gotta figure out how to do brackets pretty much out of these tubes right here. And let's just kind of learn how to use this welder right here. So what we did off camera was we actually freestyled like a little bracket. It looks kind of awkward, kind of bad, but it's just temporarily, just kind of so we could see how it looks. First of all, I don't know about our welding skills. I guess
it'll grind down.
Okay, for the first time of ever welding, I asked my boy Vitsu, and I was like, yo, how do you think about my welding skills? Because everybody knows the guy welds crazy good, you know? So he told me it's pretty good for the first time, so I'm happy with that. I
mean, well, this one, first of all, we actually did this one off camera. We didn't really know how we're going to make the brackets yet. We kind of just freestyled it. First of all, learn how to weld. Kind of what we did was we made a wooden frame to put under. It's not even screwed in, nothing. Yeah. We just wanted to see the level of the chairs to see how exactly it's going to be. I don't know. I'm kind of digging this where the back seats are a little bit higher than the front ones. That way you're actually able to see over the.
So we got the idea actually from the G-Wagon. Everybody, I mean, if you own the G-Wagon, you know once you sit in the back seat, you're actually higher than the person in front of you. So check that out. I mean, it looks. I mean, I think it looks really good. Plus, it kind of gives it more leg room because we could scoot the seat backwards.
And also one more thing, if you look inside here, we checked how our headliner is gonna be. We just used the cardboard box. It does actually go up right here, like the box.
So what's crazy is right here the seat is low, and we got about, I'd say, 8 inches. The seat right here is actually a lot higher, and here we got like 12 inches. So yeah, the roof goes like that. And actually, if you look at the Hummer, the back also goes up. So
oh yeah, that's nice.
That's nice.
Let me see the camera. I'm gonna show them. You could actually see right outside. Look at this. So this is straight with my eyes. I mean, you're able to see a lot, you know?
You're gonna be able to see better than the driver, right? Yeah, that looks really good actually. So
well, technically I'm gonna be the driver, so this is your seat. I'm just trying to see the perspective.
So let's just get into it. Let's start welding the back bracket, but let's actually, since we kind of practice, kind of learn how to do it, set up the welder, all that good stuff. So let's just make a temporary one, then send it off, paint it black, all that good stuff, and it's gonna look really good actually. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is actually how it turned out after we smooth out the welds. Right here we grind them off. Got them nice and shiny. It looks really good. I like it. After we throw some primer on it, after we throw some paint on it, we got our brackets ready. These are kind of different size and it's got a little bit at an angle because the Humvee actually does slant a little bit over there. So this is kind of brainstorming about. I mean, we've been brainstorming this whole car already, so it's a lot of stuff we're learning because a lot of stuff we haven't done, like the carpet, welding, all that kind of stuff. So let's just continue. Alright guys, check this out. Finally completed. I think it looks really good. Man, it looks really good, not even painted or grinded off. The welds just look amazing. I'm proud of myself though.
Yo, honestly, Nazar, I think it would be nice if we left the welds and just painted over it. It would look nice. It would look like it's, you know, it's built.
But yeah, so we're gonna let it cool down for a second. We don't want it to burn the carpet. We just finished welding, so it's really hot actually. So let's let it cool down, throw it inside, throw the seat, and see how it looks, right?
Yeah?
Yeah. Alright, so what do you think about that?
Oh man, dude, that's like perfect height.
That's so perfect. That's just perfect height. Plenty of room for the ceiling. We're gonna have some starlight in there, so it's gonna look so sick.
Definitely.
We have to have starlight in this.
I mean, look at all that straight flat roof.
Yeah.
What if we put a sunroof in it? Think we can? Yo, we have a lot of.
I mean, we could. Obviously, we're gonna add a lot of windows in the slam back.
Listen, we have a lot of parts cars at the yard.
Yeah, we could
literally get the sunroof from it.
We'll get to that once we're doing the slam back, but we gotta focus on the seats right now. This is looking really nice.
How about this? A sunroof for each seat.
Oh, like the Mercedes S-Class, right? Oh, that would look really good. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. So we got the seats pinned down. That frame right there, we are going to redo it completely. That one turned out really good, so we just pinned them down right now temporarily just to see how they look. Later on, we are going to remove them, sand them down, paint them black, all this good stuff, and start working on the other side. Alright guys, this is actually the second day. We did not have paint, so we actually had to go next day and buy paint because it was late yesterday. So we got the paint, so we scuffed it already, actually, off the camera. So let's just get to painting. We'll primer it first, primer it, paint it, and pretty much install it 100% and install those two seats 100%.
2 hours later, I'm still saying primer and paint.
Alright, so we actually got this nice and primer, so we just gotta wait a little bit until it dries and throw a layer, 2 layers, maybe 3 layers of paint.
Let's do 4 layers just to be safe.
But I mean, a lot of the stuff you actually won't be able to see, but we still want good work even underneath the car. You know what I mean? I don't know what that guy's doing. You forgot to primer, my guy. You forgot to primer.
Custom interior.
So we actually painted that black just kind of to see how it's gonna look. We're not sure if we're gonna go with like a panel here or maybe just paint it the same color as the exterior, but that's just temporarily just to see how it looks black. But interior wise, I'm not sure. We're probably gonna go with 1, max 2 colors. We're not trying to make a whole rainbow inside here. If there's gonna be rainbow going on, it's gonna be starlight, you know. Other than that, it's either gonna be 2 colors max. So for now, it looks just good, like leather with white stitchings, right? And pretty much some diamond cut all over the place. So I think it's gonna look really good. Alright, it looks nice and dry, so let's just get to painting. How do you like those welds though? You weren't here when I was welding it.
I wasn't.
Yeah, for the first time, what do you think?
Not bad.
I'm not trying to flex or anything, but I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of people will make fun of me for
You have an excuse.
Take it easy.
Looking good.
And you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow.
Alright guys, so it doesn't really need to look pretty here with the rivets and everything. You can kind of see the rivets all over the place everywhere. But right here we are going to have a nice finished plate. That's for one. For two, the reason why we're putting screws and rivets from this side, from the bottom and from that side, because if you guys remember, we removed this kind of extra reinforcement, the support that was here, we grind it off. So the floor was really flimsy, right? It was really flimsy. So now that we installed this and that right there, the back and the front, and we put bolts from the front, from the bottom, from the frame in the middle, this thing just got so solid right here. This thing just really sturdy right now. So this is kind of our support, and I would honestly say this support is a lot stronger than
100%.
just that setting piece right here. Because the floor was still flimsy, right? But now that we put these tubes, it just made it really sturdy. So this is kind of our brackets for the seats and support for the frame as well. So it's kind of
so it's like a 2-in-1.
Yeah, 2-in-1. So I'm really happy with this, and it looks really good too. So let's check that. Whoa! You might pick this up. 8,000 pounds. You might pick this up. Relax. We finally installed the two seats, the two driver seats, front and back. So check this out. So it's working perfectly. It slides back and forth. It adjusts, right? And it clears over here perfectly. So we actually accomplished a lot more than we expected. So we started off pretty much with nothing. We did not know what we were gonna do. And we went this far already, and it's looking really good already. So check this out right here. We still don't know what we're going to do here and here until the doors come. Once we install the door, we're gonna know how far to go with our speedometer, with our pretty much dashboard, all this good stuff. But so far, we got this far. Those seats is gonna take us probably another whole day of welding and all this good stuff. Because what's interesting about this is each individual seat is different. It has a different spacing, right? It has a different spacing. So literally each individual seat has a each bracket has to be different welded. So but that is going to be a wrap for today's video. If you guys like all this custom fabrication that we're doing, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Also follow us on Instagram. We got a lot of builds lined up right now. We got a lot of builds lined up, a lot of interesting stuff with a lot of interesting people. So
for sure.
But we are kind of focusing on Hummer right now, trying to get as much done as we possibly can, because once those builds actually start coming in, we might kind of put this to the side a little bit, but I really want to get this for the winter. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment, let us know what you guys think, give us some ideas, and we will catch you in the next video.